नमस्कार दोस्तों, बिजनेस फोर्टनाइट में आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस बार जिस विषय पर हम बात करेंगे वो है ई रूपी, जो अभी अभी हमारे भारत सरकार ने लॉन्च किया है। हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं जीके पिल्लई सर। इन्हें 47 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है, सीनियर पोजीशंस में रह चुके हैं प्राइवेट और पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस में। इन्होंने चेयरमैन और मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर रह चुके हैं हेवी इंजीनियरिंग कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड रांची एंड HMT मशीन टूल्स लिमिटेड बैंगलोर, और उसके बाद मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर और CEO वालचंद नगर इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड पुणे में 8 साल तक रह चुके हैं। आइए हम इनसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ई रूपी आखिर है क्या। Sir, welcome to our show. We would like to know what is this e-rupee digital payment all about and how it differs from other digital payment gateways.
E-rupee is a cashless and contactless person and purpose-specific digital payment solution launched on the 2nd of August 2021 by our Honorable Prime Minister. It's actually a QR code or SMS string-based e-voucher which delivers to the mobile of the beneficiary. Rather, the major difference between this new e-rupee as well as the other digital payment gateways available in the country as on date is that the user need not have a bank account, a credit card, or any internet banking facilities, or rather even a smartphone to transact the business through e-rupee.
How do you think this e-payment will work, and do you think it will make cashless transaction more easier?
These vouchers of e-rupee is like a e-gift card which are prepaid in nature and for a very specific purpose, like for example vaccination or for example some food subsidy, etc. After the service is completed, the beneficiary can transfer the amount to the service provider with least hassles. Actually, e-rupee will definitely make the cashless transaction more reliable, and timely payment can be guaranteed without any hindrance or any intermediary. It is also very essential to note that this e-rupee platform will be for a very specific purpose. Hence, the misuse of the amount given to the individuals can definitely be avoided.
There are many doubts among commoners about this e-rupee digital payment. Is it going to help young entrepreneurs and startups?
There are many people having a doubt whether this particular e-rupee scheme will improve the e-governance or not. My actual feeling is that this will definitely improve the good governance, in the sense it is generally felt that any digital initiative is mainly for the people in the city or the elite class. But here is one scheme where anybody having just a simple mobile phone can get the benefit of digital payments. So that is one of the first big benefits. Number two, it clearly ensures that the amounts will be directly transferred to the mobile number of the beneficiary. So there are no intermediaries. And once the beneficiary gets the service for which he has been actually paid, that payment can be made to the service provider without any difficulty, without any hassles of an internet connectivity or even a bank card, etc., etc. So primarily it can be seen very clearly that the good governance will improve on account of this particular e-rupee scheme. Second, it will go to the larger sections of the common man, for whom various schemes the Government of India and even some private companies are actually bringing it. So ultimately it will be across the country. This particular scheme of e-rupee platform will definitely benefit.